Windows Vista or Windows 7 on Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. Here is the Virtual PC setup, Windows 7. This is the Virtual PC console. To set it up, you simply go to Microsoft, download Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. It's free. Simply click New. Once it's installed, you go to Next, create a virtual machine. You name the machine. I name mine Windows 7. This is where you select the operating system you want to install. If you're going to use anything other than what's on here, just click Other. Next, this is where you select the RAM size. It will create a virtual RAM space and save it on your hard drive. I set mine to 512. Now you can set the virtual hard disk for this operating system. The stock default is 16 gigs. It won't let you do any more than that. You can run up to 3 virtual operating systems on this. As you can see here, you can make 3, so you can run a total of 4 operating systems on one computer. The fourth being the actual hard encoded operating system. So here I am. I've installed Windows 7 and I'll log in. It's really easy to install a operating system once you set up the virtual hard drive. You just simply come up here and either put your CD in the physical drive or mount it as an ISO to a virtual drive, and then once you select that drive, you press Right Alt R. Right Alt is a host key. As you notice, when I click inside this box, my pointer gets stuck in the virtual PC. To get out of it, use the Alt Right R. That's the main key to use that. But to restart the virtual system, instead of Control Alt Delete, you simply use Right Alt R, and that will restart the system. If you're running Vista as your host, if you use the left Alt and R, it won't restart the system. That will actually bring up the run command in Vista. So Right Alt gets you out of it, clicking gets you back in, then you're locked in. So here's Vista, our Windows 7. This is pretty much the layout of it. I don't know that there's too much difference that I can see between this and Windows Vista. This is basic layout of it. I have not fully installed it yet. I still have it as a trial. This is the hard drive that we have, the virtual hard drive, and then this is the virtual RAM for the system. Here's some of the features that come with this application. Notice it has Windows PowerShell. PowerShell, if you come in here to Documents, it has a pretty good articles or reads about what it is, what you can do with it. It's basically, the shell is basically how it is written. If you're familiar with Linux, you would know about a shell. The shell is where you make a lot of your commands in Linux. Windows has one, you just never see it. But this being a beta or a test system, they included the shell with it. XPS viewer, I'm not real sure what that is, but that's what that is. I'm not seeing any of this screens as far as what is you see in screenshots. Those might be in milestone 2. I don't know. This is just milestone 1. Build 6519. It is set up a little differently how it runs, sets the files up. If you notice, it's a little different over here in the corner. Just a little bit different from what I can tell. Nothing that's really got me too excited, but from what I've seen from the screenshots, it looks like it could be pretty good. Here's some of the programs that are with it. This one just has Internet Explorer 7.1. Haven't even checked out the games. There's the games. But that's Windows 7 on a virtual PC. What's nice about virtual PC is you can run 2 operating systems at once, or even 4. Like me, I have two screens, so I have this set up on my second screen. My first screen is the host, so I can just simply put the operating system, the virtual operating system, into the second window here. Makes it nice for multitasking. But there it is, Windows 7 in the virtual PC.